behind that trial.
Comfortable if you brought up anything.
It's almost a case of duelling interviews. Bruce Lehrmann is suing Network 10 over their interview with Brittany Higgins. But it's been extraordinary allegations about how Channel 7 secured its exclusive interview with Mr Lehrmann that may determine the case.
Taylor, has Bruce Lehrmann been lying in court?
Producer Taylor Auerbach has told the court that during the night when he alleges Mr Lehrmann bought the drugs, he suggested a deal. He agreed to be in a spotlight interview as long as we didn't ask him about what happened on that night in Canberra.
Now, did you stand by everything you said in your affidavit?
Mr Auerbach has also claimed he tried to resign after charging thousands of dollars for massages to a corporate credit card while he was with Mr Lehrmann one night in November 2022. In affidavits to the court, he said Seven also paid for drugs and sex workers for Mr Lehrmann. Mr Auerbach denied suggestions his aim in bringing on the new information was to humiliate Mr Lehrmann and get back at Channel 7 after he lost his job. I am going to suggest to you, you would do anything to damage people who are associated with Seven.
Welcome back to
But 10's real aim is to show Mr Lehrmann shared material from the criminal trial which should have remained confidential. The only person who gave me the documents was Mr Lehrmann. Mr Lehrmann has always denied that. It did not happen, did it, Mr Auerbach? It most certainly did. But Seven has faced questions too from the judge about its failure to produce documents about communication with Mr Lehrmann before now. Mr Auerbach told the court he understood there was an instruction to delete material about Mr Lehrmann after concerns Network 10 was not happy. 10's lawyer, Matthew Collins, told the court it beggars belief that there is, so far as we can see, one document evidencing communication involving Mr Lehrmann, the star of the exclusive interview, over a 6 or 7 month preparation period. Seven has released a statement categorically denying it paid for any sex workers or drugs. It also denies there was any directive to delete material. Mr Auerbach now faces a busy evening trying to retrieve material needed for the cross-examination to continue tomorrow. Elizabeth Byrne, ABC News, Sydney.